Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rename your device. Maybe you want it to be based off of where in which room it's in. How do you actually go ahead and rename your Govee Floor Lamp 2? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app. Next, click on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Then, on the upper right hand corner, click on the gear icon. And then where it says device name, click on that. So this is where you can start typing your device name and then click on done. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename your device and rename your Govee Floor Lamp 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.